Grasp is a new way of computing, developed for children. Grasp is a physical, social, and flexible tool with the same functions as a computer, but in a form and language that is more familiar to children. Here are Sarah and Louise. They are 9 years old, playing with Grasp in the after-school program. Grasp consists of a cord and several knots. Each knot opens a different mode. You access these by moving the knot along the cord. The cord and the knots are touch and squeeze sensitive. Each mode allows the user to choose between various programs indicated by color. When several knots are activated, you can multitask alone or with others. By making overlapping circles, you create a screen. This can be used for visual information. In communication mode, you can choose between 3 different kinds of communication: sound, video, or shape. You can see or listen to messages as well as respond. Louise is watching a program for children. Meanwhile, Sarah is recording a sound message, asking if Louise wants to play. The communication knot vibrates, and this indicates that Louise has received a message. She listens to the message and makes the shape of a heart and sends it back to Sarah as a way to say yes. Shape messages are a new way for the kids to express themselves in a more intuitive, visible, and physical way. You simply shape the rope and confirm, then the message is sent off. In Make, you can work with several media such as video, sound, and pictures. You can record and manipulate these in different ways. Here the girls are playing with audio, recording letters from the alphabet. One presses the chord in order to record a sound. He-whoop! Whoop-it-up! The sounds are now incorporated physically in Grasp, ready for playback if you touch them. He-whoop! Whoop-it-up! He-whoop! Sound can be changed using different physical grips on Grasp, such as looping or speeding up. These gestures are developed on the basis of what you can do with a rope. Measure is a way for the kids to explore and learn about their surroundings. Using Grasp, they can measure and save information by pressing and at the same time recording the name of the object in audio. Foot. Mobile phone. Foot. Mobile phone. This information is now saved on Grasp, where you can arrange or search for further facts on the object. Louise and Sarah are measuring and comparing the circumference of their heads. To understand the length of circles, the girls go out hunting measurements with the same lengths as their heads. To make a network between 2 grasps, you simply tie a knot, and now the data is floating between the 2 grasps. This way, you can organize the data and make your own categories for your collections together. The girls are organizing the measurements by color. Collaboration and learning. The essential values of Grasp is that it is social, physical, and mobile, and this makes Grasp perfect for collaboration. This is of great use in learning situations, such as this multiplication table game where numbers are floating around to be caught. Here, Louise and Sarah ends the day by doing their homework, practicing the multiplication table, a game where they have to pull the rope every time a number from the 5 times table is played. After a day of great fun with Grasp, you turn it off by pressing in one of the ends.